Welcome to the performance. My name is Neme Ndolo. I am here at the Maui Moisture event. We're gonna get back home and smoke. I am a tad stoned right now, but we'll talk more about that when I get home. I am home. It's snowing outside, and bitch, I'm not playing around. I think it might be kind of fucked to ask someone to be like, "Oh my god, deliver me some Ketsio Pepe in this weather." So guess what? Tonight, I'm making Ketsio Pepe. The first step of making Pepe is pasta. Let's put it in the pot.
We are making Pepe. We are making Pepe. Peperitus Pepe. Hey, Pepe, Pepe. He, Pepe. Peperitus.
Oh my god, Neme, don't break the pasta. I'm sorry. Should I make the whole bag? Or should I make half? I'm not gonna make the whole bag, but I am gonna make a little more. We are getting Electro Blunty tonight, so I do want to have enough in case the munchies get bad. Cooking with Neme. I remind myself of an unhinged 3-year-old with like no sense of impulse control. Do you want cigar? Fuck! Bro, this is why I end up in so many fucking cringe compilations. This is why. By the way, do you think I watch them shits? A friend of one of my friends hit me up 2 days ago, and he was like, just to let you know you're in a cringe compilation. Yeah! Then it's just a regular Saturday. Ketsio Pepe. Cooking is about preparedness. As the pasta is boiling, we need to grate the pecorino. But Neme, I thought you couldn't find pecorino cheese in your neighborhood. Exactly, I had to go to fucking Soho to find a freaking brick of it, but I got a brick, bitch, let's grate. Aw, shit, bitch. Look at this. Oh shit, bitch. We making cheese. Hey, yo, this is gonna sound dumb, but like I didn't look up a recipe for this shit. Let me look up a recipe right now. Okay, y'all, the pasta is boiling. I remembered to put salt in the pasta. I completely forgot, so I just did it right now. I brought my cheese with me because like I'm very proud of it and I want to be around it. Yo, there was a guy at the event today. He was serving, but like he was really, really cute. So like he came and he was just like, spring roll or whatever the fuck it was. Cucumber mint popsicle. I can't fucking remember. And I was like, no, thank you, gorgeous, but you're gorgeous. Holy shit, bitch. I did not say that. I think I just said gorgeous once. And that's like really good for me because like socially interacting with cis males for non-platonic reasons for me is like not in my wheelhouse. This one had to be like a solid 6'2", super, super cute. I feel like my mom would be into him. Dark skin, but my mom does like the more rugged type. He was like very, very pretty. But whatever. Anyway, let's check the pasta. The pasta is done. Now it's time for botta. Y'all, this is probably gonna sound hilarious and I probably shouldn't say this out loud. I'm actually probably shooting myself in the foot right now, but fuck it. So I asked my agent to pitch me for I can't believe it's not butter. Because like for any fucking brand, I feel like I'd be great for that brand. I can't believe it's not butter. So she was like, okay, so like if I'm pitching you, like give me a concept. And I was like, I fucking got you, bro. Fuck. So I straight up filmed a video, not like a TikTok video, but like a video with like half my face showing. And I was like, tell them I want to sing this song. Sip down water, I can't mutter. The sandwich tastes so very good. I can't believe it's not butter. And of course, I would just start off the video in the way that I normally start off the song videos. For some reason, those perform really, really well. Oh, I would also do, I can't believe it's not butter. They always like the whistle. There's my concept. I can send visuals as well. A quarter of a stick of butter. Psych, I put half, bitch. Second law of Ketsio Pepe. Third, first was pasta, next was salt. Fourth is pasta water. Fifth, stir in the butter. Butter, 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 butter. Stirring in the butter. God, someone remind me what we're cooking. Ketsio, God, I can't remember the second part of the name. Come on, audience, say it. Fuck. Pepe. Rule 6. Add Pepe. The saddest part of that entire fucking display is that I didn't have to do that. All I had to say was part 6, add pepper. But I had to go all fucking out. This is why I'm in the cringe compilations. Oh God, I added Pepe. Time for the cheese. Ah! Taste test. Pepperistic. Canada Goo. I'm not in the mood. Let's hit. Y'all remember Chuck E. motherfucking Cheese? Remember Chuck E. Cheese? What's the adult equivalent? It's not the courthouse. What's the adult equivalent? The bank? For me, I guess it's the Catholic Church. Well, not just any Catholic Church. St. Thomas Catholic Church in Smyrna, Georgia. The best Catholic church on earth. Yeah, man, I thought you were an atheist. Firstly, bitch, I'm an agnostic deist. Secondly, Canada. Think of it like this. I'm an agnostic deist. However, if I see some people like LARPing, I'm going to watch because like it's like a real life, scenario going on in front of you. Any human being's going to watch a bunch of fuckers LARPing in the corner, Christians are LARPers, but they're not really LARPing a book with a narrative. They're more LARPing, think of it as a recipe book. A recipe book of rules, laws, and fun little stories. Like, like when you look for like a recipe online and then they have like the whole story. Noah's Ark, there you go. All those different stories, but then you have the laws, which are, like the recipe, like, the meat and potatoes. Christianity is a bunch of people LARPing a recipe book. Honestly, like most religions, all religions are that. However, Within the fucking festival, there's like 15 LARP groups. Each LARP group got something different. That's Christianity. Inside of that group of LARP groups, you know, whatever the fuck, you have, like, you know, two people who may, you know, be dressed like whatever. I just think Catholicism's dressed the best. Yeah, she cute beats. Sorry, the aesthetic of Catholicism. Please, bitch, don't come at me with like the theology. Don't come at me with the theology. Catholicism has the best music, the best contemporary music. David Haas, his actions are deplorable, but the fucker could write a song. I mean, the melodies, for fuck's sakes, bro. David Haas's Gloria. Please, after this, go type in David Haas's Gloria. Twice in my life, I was caught by the police while driving to that song because I was speeding down the interstate. Glory to God in the highest. Sing glory to God. Glory to God in the highest. And peace to his people on earth. And then the fucking pianos start, bitch. Like, it's fucking insane, dude. Like, what a song. That's why the police had to catch a bitch. Literally, Catholicism has the best contemporary music, because have you heard some of this Christian music today? Have you heard some of the Christian music in the 90s, in the 80s, in the early 2000s? It always mimicked the sound of whatever was hot. Don't out me. I know that's not an original thought. Back off, please. Fuck. Yes, I got that from the Hillsong documentary on Discovery Plus. Contemporary general non-Catholic Christian music is like ass. But Catholic hymns, bitch, them shit's been consistent. Have you ever been to a French Catholic church? Relax. Listen, I'm taking into consideration how Catholic music sounds in other countries as well. I went to a mass in Paris. Have you ever been to a Nigerian Catholic service? Okay, bitch. Oh, fuck. Like, God, like oh my God, like the weird, winding, unexpected melody. Like, fuck, dude. Like, it's literally insane. Yeah, Catholicism's cute, sis. Check out my Crocs. My cross. My bad, sorry. It's a crucifix. Y'all want to see my mantilla? Oh, a bitch ain't playing with y'all. I'm going to show y'all the goddamn mantilla. Chai! I did not find the mantilla. It's in there, but like I was standing up for too long and I was just like, Catholic iconography. Y'all know I got my iconography over there in my weed box. This box holds all my keys that I used to Christian my mugs. So, that damn, why could I find that damn mantilla? Neme Ndola has performed. Neme Ndola is going to finish up this post and go to bed. This has been the performance by Neme. This has been the performance by Neme Ndola. I mean, it really is kind of hard to say. Like I don't know. The letters just like kind of like all blend together. I don't know. This has been the performance by Neme Ndola. Thank you all so much for coming. It sort of tastes like ass, but that block of cheese cost me $9. I'm going to eat this and the rest of whatever the fuck is in the pot. Oh my God. You all, I will see you all tomorrow night. Tomorrow night is going to be great. Thank you all so much for the support. Coming back night after night. You all are fantastic. I love you. Good night.